guys, welcome to Cooking With. My name is Roberto. I'm the head chef in top of Brindisa in London Bridge. Today we're here in Tramontana Brindisa in Shoreditch. We're gonna cook some gazpacho, which is a very cold soup for summer months. It's coming from Andalusia, and every region has his own version of the soup. And today we're gonna cook this one, which is absolutely nice, refreshing, and very easy for you to cook at home as well. The main ingredients are tomatoes, some cucumber, red pepper, a little bit of onions, clove of garlic, pinch of cumin, salt, bread, some olive oil, some sherry vinegar, and pepper. Now guys, let's start cooking. So first step, we're gonna soak the bread. And the bread we're gonna use to give to the soup a little bit more of thickness. We're just gonna soak it in the bowl with a little bit of water. Second step, we're gonna chop all the vegetables. Yeah, we need to take the green thing out. It doesn't need to be too fine because we're gonna blend everything after, so we just need to remove a little bit the seeds and the green part on the top. And the last, the cucumber. We need to peel it, and then we will need to remove the seeds. Now we just chop. So step 3, we're gonna blend all the ingredients and season. Or we're gonna season and blend, whatever you like to do first. So I put all the ingredients together. We need to put now the bread, the soaked bread on the vegetables. First, we're gonna have a pinch of salt, put a little bit of pepper, 1 spoon of sherry vinegar, and you can put a little bit more if you like. And around 6 spoons of olive oil. And we're gonna add a pinch of cumin, which is gonna give a really nice taste at the end. So now we have all the ingredients together, we just need to blend. Step 4, guys, we're just gonna chill the gazpacho. So we're just gonna put it in the bowl. If you don't have a very powerful blender, you should just strain it first. We have to cool it down for about 3-4 hours. The cooler, the nicer it's gonna be when you eat it. Now we're gonna prepare a delicious garnish for the gazpacho. We're gonna use some red pepper, spring onions, amazing Iberico ham, some fried bread, some boiled eggs. We're just gonna chop it very finely. And the last thing we're gonna mix together with the fried bread. And already we have our garnish for the gazpacho. Alright guys, so once the gazpacho is cold, we're gonna serve it. Very nice. We're gonna put some garnish on top. And let's finish it with some olive oil. Alright guys, so here we go with our lovely gazpacho. Very refreshing, very nice. And now there is just one more thing to do. Enjoy.
Muchas gracias.
See you soon, guys.